Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about shapewear pieces on the market. The Spanx Seamless Sculpting High-Waisted Mid-Thigh Shapewear. If you're looking for effective and comfortable shapewear, this might just be the one for you.
Let's start with the basics.
This Spanx shapewear is designed to provide seamless, all-day shaping without visible panty lines.
Made from 100% nylon, it offers a lightweight feel with a high-waist design that sits comfortably under the bust for flexible support. For optimal results, wear your high-waisted shapewear first and then layer your bra over the waistband for added security. This ensures everything stays in place throughout the day. If you're wondering why Spanx stands out, it's because they're known for their commitment to quality and comfort. They obsess over ensuring their products deliver real results while making you feel confident and comfortable in your own skin. To wrap it up, if you're in the market for high-quality shapewear that offers effective shaping without sacrificing comfort, the Spanx Seamless Sculpting High-Waisted Mid-Thigh Shapewear is definitely worth considering. It's a favorite among many for a reason. If you've tried this product or have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and recommendations from Product Critique. Thanks for watching.